guys, I'm your travel Ginnie and I'm here in Malaysia!
Menara Berkembar Petronas in Malay, but we all known as the Petronas Twin Towers, are a pair of 88-story with 1,483 feet tall. From 1996 to 2004, they were officially designated as the tallest buildings in the world until they were surpassed by the completion of the Taipei 101 in 2004. And now, they are the 20 tallest buildings in the world. And the one behind it is the Merdeka 118, and the second tallest structure and building in the world. Grabe no guys, ang daming tallest buildings here in Malaysia. Hi guys! So nilakad lang namin papunta dito sa Petronas kasi malapit lang ito sa aming accommodation. Mga 12 minutes lang na lakad. Pero pwede ka naman mag-grab. Mura lang ang grab dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Aabot ka lang ng 80 pesos to 150 pesos. So kung apat kayo, tag-30 lang bawat isa, di ba? Open sila daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pero close naman sila every Monday.
Excuse me, is this the line going inside the sky bridge? Is this the line going inside the sky bridge? Thank you.
So the ticket worth 1,200. I bought it in the Petronas Skybridge website mismo. Kasi mas mura siya compared to the other website.
Selamat datang and welcome to the Sky Bridge, Petronas Twin Towers, level 41. So you have about 10 minutes here, and after that we will call you group by group. So remember your group is green, okay? Hijau, and after that we will assemble at the back there, wait for the lift, and then we go to level 86. Okay? Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Thank you. Hi guys! So we are here in
41st floor,
41st
Sky
floor
Bridge.
of the Sky Bridge. So mamaya pa kami pupunta sa pinaka 86th floor. And then ito yung view namin. The fountain, KLCC Park, and this is the bridge. Ito yung makita niyo parang connection niya sa kabilang tower. And they have a nice view. Nahilo ka. Ari ko. Matatapilok pa ako kaka-video ko. Thank you. Welcome to 86th floor. 86. Thank you, lights. Oh, that's the Merdeka. This one. Asan siya? Oh my God, Merdeka, you're a star. Ay, ang laki rin nito ah. Ay, ang ganda. Ano to? Petronas pala.
Mahaba palang araw dito sa Malaysia. 7 p.m. ang kanilang sunset. Kaya mas better if 6:30 p.m. ang schedule na kuhain natin.
Ang ganda. My three favorite building. Favorite na agad. Guys, ang cute to. Ang cute. Okay na siya, girl. 470. Meron ka ng tumbler ng Petronas. And then, yun na. Ay, shot glass. Ay, shot glass. Shot glass. They also have t-shirt. Magkano naman ang t-shirt nila? 35. That's how much? 500? Ang cute naman na ito. 40. 40 ringgit. Wow! Ito matitibay itong mga ganitong paper bag eh. Diba? Ay, parang betcha ko to. Ay, ang mahal. 48 guys. Pero maganda na siya. Ay, ang ganda ng gold. Oh, diba? Ah, may ganun din pala. Ay, meron din pala dito oras. May oras din pala dito. Kala ko tapos na. So, may oras siya kada pupuntahan niyo. Una, doon sa 41st floor is, ano? Makakasira pa ako. Doon sa 41st floor is 10 minutes. Isa 86th floor, 50 minutes. Dito, siguro sa mga shop, 10 minutes siguro. So yun, overall, 45 minutes.
Parang bilis.
It's a wrap! Yan na. Maganda yan sa gabi. Malay mo, malay niya. Malaysia! Wow!
Daily ang schedule ng KLCC Fountain Show at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., at 10 p.m. And the show runs in 10 minutes.
Cute ng bata. Nagpapalakpak pa siya. Parang ganyan color ng Malaysia, no? Colorful. Wow! Diba na, girl?
Mas malakas ka pa yata.
Sa mga bata. Sa speaker. Ang lalaman sa speaker. Nakita ko sino yung subject. Ayan, oo. Yan, ganda. Wait lang ah.
Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true.
Nagkatayo.